So Toyota has a recall right now. They're actually to the point where they're gonna start replacing engines in about 100,000 Tundras and Lexuses.
Okay, you working on cars.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. We hear of replacing transmissions,
Yeah.
replacing so and so water pumps or whatever. But now an entire fucking engine?
Yeah, but the thing is that they're replacing the whole engine for you for free.
But why?
Because they left when the engines were in production, there was debris left behind from when they were machining the blocks, and that debris is getting inside the bearings, and it's seizing up engines. It's causing knocking sounds. It's gonna be a V6 twin turbocharged engine. So if you have a V6 twin turbocharged Tundra from 2022 or 2023, you should take it back to the dealer